Hi guys, it's Casey, and I'm back again to teach you a little bit more about Blackboard. What we're going to be taking a look at today is discussion boards. So what is a discussion board? Basically, it's a tool on Blackboard that your teacher will use for soliciting course participation with other students. So there's a variety of different reasons that instructors will use discussion boards. And they can be and usually are graded, so it's very important that you actually complete them. So I guess let's jump right in. Right now I'm at the course homepage in Blackboard. If you're not sure how to log in, or if your password's not working, or you're not sure how to get here, we have videos on this previously, so definitely take a look at those. So this is the tool we're talking about here, discussions. And if you don't have a discussion link on your navigation bar, then all you'll need to do is go down to BB Tools, which stands for Blackboard Tools, and then you'll scroll down to find discussion board. Now this link and this link will take you to the same place, so I'll just click on this one. It'll take you to a page that looks like this. Here we have two discussion boards. So this is the tell me about yourself. It's kind of an introduction board basically, so your professor can get to know you. And then there's this discussion 2. So I guess this one's about reading a chapter and then answering these questions based on the chapter. So I'll go ahead and click on this one. To go into the actual discussion board, you'll have to click on this blue tab here. And then once you get here, you'll see if there's any posts, or if you're allowed to see them. You'll see them down here. You'll see this create thread button, grading information. So if you click on this, if your professor has uploaded a rubric or a grading system, you'll see that here, so you can see exactly what you need to do to get an A or a B if you strive for that. So to actually post a discussion, you'll go here to this create thread, and then you'll see again that here are the instructions for the discussion board. So when you're working and you forget something, you can see it right here. And then down here we have your actual message. These two fields are what will actually show up in your discussion board. So this will be available to all other users to see, especially your instructor. So our subject is basically going to be the title. It's going to be exactly what students and your professor see first. So we'll just title this Chapter 1. And then down here we'll put that. I didn't read the book, so I can't answer these questions, but I'm just putting this in so you guys can see what the setup looks like. And then down here we have this Browse My Computer button, which if you need to post supplemental material, so let's say you have a Word document that will help your answer or further your answer, or maybe your instructor has wanted you to upload an actual Word document answering the questions for the discussion board. Then you can click on this and it'll take you to basically your documents folder, and you can just click on any of those and upload them. I'm not uploading anything. So after you have a cancel option, which will delete all your data, a save draft, which will save your draft so you can come back to it later. So let's say you don't know how to fully answer the question, or you need to come back to it, click that, and then you'll just follow the same process to get back into it. And then a submit button. So I'll click submit, and then you can see here that the Chapter 1 was created here by me. This is the account I'm under right now, and you can see that it is published, and then I created it, so it's not unread, and there's only one post. So as part of your discussion board assignment, your professor may or may not want you to reply to other students' posts. Now this is really simple. your professor should give you instructions on how to basically reply if they want you to do so. So most professors won't want you to just say, oh yeah, that was great, I agree. Most comments or replies should be constructive. So let's say this person was like, just left that. You could help them out by furthering what they said. So maybe refer back to the book or talk about what you did in your post. Or if you have any disagreements on what's happening, basically just let them know. Like I said, your instructor will have more information on how to actually reply. So then we have a couple of options down here. So here's the reply, and I'll show you that real quick. It'll just drop down this little bar here. So you'll see that you're replying to chapter 1, which is the title of this. And then down here, we'll just put that, and then again you can attach a file, so if you want to exactly show what you need to show, then you can. And then again we have the cancel, save draft, and submit. So I'll submit this, and then you see here that success, this thread was created. So under I read the book, here's a reply. So now we have the quote option. So if you click on that, you'll see you're still replying to the original comment. Then down here next to this little blue bar, which denotes that you're quoting, you'll see the author, the date and time that it was originally posted, and the subject, which is their title, and then their quote. So let's say that you only want to quote part of it, and you can go in here and erase like book if you wanted to. And then you can go down here and then type in whatever you needed. These are very basic responses just to show you. And then again we have the browse my computer button. So I'll submit that, and you'll see that it was under this. It goes in order of who posted first. So you'll see the first, the second post, and then any posts after. So here you can see that blue bar, and then the quote and the author and all of that, and then your comment on that quote. So now these two buttons are only here if you've actually created the thread, so you can't go in and edit other people's discussions or delete other people's discussions. That would not be very nice. So if you click on the edit button, you can go in and it'll drop down right in the field basically. So then once you type in something you edited, you can also still attach something, and then just click submit, and you can see that it was added. And then you can see that it was also edited. So here if you click on or hover over this to expand, you can see that it was originally posted at 10:05, and then it was last edited at 10:09. So, and then obviously delete is delete. One more thing, your professor might use a rating system in Blackboard, and it's not on this thread, so I'll go back out to the discussion boards, and I believe it's on this thread though. So we'll go in, click in here, and then you'll see this overall rating. So since I posted this, I'm not going to be able to rate my own. However, you will be able to rate your other classmates' posts. So this isn't used very often. However, I've seen it used a couple of times. So this just lets your professor know exactly how helpful the discussion board was for you, if you learned anything from it. They'll give you information on how to rate others' discussion posts. So just look in the direction, see if they want you to do that. And I think that's about it for discussion boards, guys. Definitely check back for more videos, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this one, and I hope you have a great day.